Yeah.
Yeah, you can't change it, sir. I put on the credit button on the TV.
Alright, you see it, people, so that is the cut, you know. You understand me? Again, we are at Alibaba, not the book, but the barber shop. You understand me? Out in Port St. Lucie. And it's a true blue. Well, him says a true blue, I don't know, because it's not JC. It's a George's man. It's a George's man, you understand me? You know, give man his man a haircut. But you know, them are true blue, but we are the first blue from 1738, you understand me? But this weekend, you know, is also true blue weekend. Miramar. Alright, you understand me? JC versus George's. Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah.
Saturday and Sunday. Big party, big games and all of that. So make sure you go down. Mimar, where exactly? Come on, man, you have to tell us exactly what the thing is. Tell the people them want to go on, you know. Exactly, so we can.
1 minute, I'm going to find it.
Yeah, find the flyer and give it the flyer. Make we tell the people them where. And remember, so when you want a haircut, right here, so. You understand me? If you want your hair done, right here, so. Lee and Al. Al used to play for St. George's, you know. Freddie did good.
Water boy.
Yeah, I used to peel the orange them on them thing there, you understand? See you there? I him that man, he's the man. Understand me? Yeah, so let me tell you about this now. True Blue, March 24th and 25th, you understand me? Big party, big things are going on. Miramar is going to be, it's a family event, game, and prizes for kids, right? The ZD Cup, so they'll have the ZD Cup and other matches going on, alright? DJ Squeeze will be there. So it is back, you know, the pandemic did stop it, but it's back. The 24th and the 25th in Miramar, you understand me? Be a big baller going to be out there in the Tyrone Marshall, you understand me? Ali Rose, you understand me? I don't know if I should call Alistair Bar, wait.
Water boy.
And the Bomber and the Williams, I got there as well. So you don't know people, you check it out, you understand me? When you see the cut afterwards, you know. So we want you to tell us what you think, you understand me? When you go a yard, we will get the haircut too. And make sure we compare them and see if a yard or a broad, the real barbers are. Bless up on yourself, people. Man is man. Check it out.